voice of woe, one lament of more than mortal grief. Through the wide south to and fro, for a fallen chief. In the dead of night, that cry thrilled through me, I looked out upon the midnight air. My own soul was all as gloomy as I knelt in prayer. O'er that night, once, twice, yet thrice, passed a wail of anguish for the grave, that half curled into ice, its own mirroring wave. Then uprose a many-toned wild hymn in choral swell from Augur's dark ravine, and Mojili's phantom women mourned the Geraldine. Far on Caramona's emerald plains, shrieks and sighs were blended many hours, and Fermoy fitful strains answered from her towers. You ho kino miki emo killing, mourned in concert, and their piercing key woke to wondering life the still glens of Inchiqueen. From Lochmo to yellow Donegal, there was fear. The traders of Tralee gathered up their golden store and prepared to flee. For in ship and hull, from night till morn, showed the first faint beamings of the sun. All the foreigners heard the warning of the dreaded one. They spake, more than death to us, if we fly not swiftly from our fate. Self-conceited idiots, thus ravingly to pray. Not for base-born haggling Saxon trucksters ring laments like those by shore and sea. Not for churls the souls of hucksters, whileth our banshee. For the high Milesian race alone ever flows the music of her woe, for slain heir to bygone throne, and for chief laid low. Hark again, methinks I hear her weep yonder. Is she near me now as then, or was't but the night wind sweep down the hollow glen?